that's cold. So now that I'm in the tub, let's talk a little bit about this recovery plan. So for probably about 6 weeks now, I've been doing hangs from the bar, nerve flossing, and cold plunging as many times a week as I can. I'll show you where I'm at right now on my June workout calendar here. And it's made a massive difference. The cold plunge, it's hard, but I also enjoy starting the day or, after a workout, getting in. I've noticed massive differences in my inflammation, in particular in my elbows, in my lower back, which was really why I started, going after this recovery routine. Do I think AI did a good job here? Yeah, I really do. I definitely believe that I'm a little bit more focused and targeted with my recovery. I'm not wasting time, and the benefits, speak for themselves. I was using a slip and slide at a birthday party the other day, and in the past, I probably wouldn't be able to walk or would be super sore for at least 2 or 3 days after. I was a little sore the next day, but I was able to, recover. And that was something that I just couldn't have done, before this routine. So this is a great example of a solution that has worked for me. And, maybe you can try it for you, whether it's your sciatica or it might be knee pain, it might be hip pain. It's worth trying, right? Give it a shot, see if it works for you. If it doesn't, then you know what? Try something else. But this has been my journey with AI recovery, and it's worked very well for me. All right, here we are back at the computer. So let's dive into ChatGPT and look at how we can create our own recovery plan based on whatever might be going on as part of our fitness routine. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome and let's go to ChatGPT. When we get to ChatGPT here, the first thing that we want to do is make sure that we have the right model selected. So there's a variety of different models that you can use. For this task in particular, I think GPT-4o is a great model of the current available models to use. Now, when you work with an AI, you got to think about what context and what information can I provide to the AI to really enhance its understanding of what's going on. So the first thing that I always try to do is add appropriate context. And in this case, what we're going to do is kind of start this in a bit of a conversational manner. So I'm going to say, "Hi, ChatGPT. You're going to help me create an optimized recovery plan. I'm lifting weights 4 to 5 times a week and dealing with post-workout soreness." So we could stop here. However, in my particular case, the pain that I'm dealing with is actually very targeted to my sciatica and my lower back. So this is where you could customize what your specific pain or soreness might be related to get something that's a little bit more targeted for you. So in my case, I'm now going to say, what can I do for a faster recovery? My sciatica is acting up in particular after I work out and when I wake up in the morning. Can you come up with a simple plan and ensure you focus on spinal decompression. So I'm including this last piece around spinal decompression because my issue is specific to sciatica. So let's see what the response is. So daily recovery routine. So spinal decompression, dead hangs, 1 to 2 sets, 30 to 60 seconds, hang from a pull-up bar with relaxed shoulders. Static nerve flossing and hamstring mobility. Cold plunge or cold shower. So I've actually done a cold plunge before, and I've done a cold shower as well. And I gotta tell you, I definitely prefer the cold plunge, as the cold instantly across your body, I find, is a lot easier to deal with than sort of the slow, gradual cold that you get from a shower. Awesome. So it's also giving us a few other things that we can think about. So pelvic stability, glute bridges, bird dogs, mobility and recovery flow with cat cows, child pose. So it's giving me some yoga considerations that I could do as well. And let's see, morning specific. Awesome. So right here, this is a very simple prompt, but what is important that this is giving is it's providing some context to what's going on, and I'm giving it some very specific information on an issue that I want it to address. So when you're dealing with your own pain or your own recovery, think about how you can provide the specifics that allow the AI to really give you something that's personalized for you. So with that, this is a very simple way that you can use AI to create your own tailored recovery plan.